Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am at the YC Designs, and behind me there are the two grandfathers of Vespa, which is in red and yellow. We have a different colors also, which is being kept on the other side, which the polishing is going on right now. So let me just show you about this bike. Let's go near to it. Till yet, please do like this video and do subscribe to the channel if you're new, and do comment. This is a beautiful red in color Vespa 150cc, an Italian luxury brand of scooter. Manufactured by Piaggio. Hope I have spelled it right. Sorry if I have spelled it wrong. Let's talk about this beautiful scooter, which I am really got a fan of it now. This has been fully restored and repainted by YC Design Motorcycle Restoration. The link where the addresses I have mentioned in the description, and even this is the Instagram, please do follow. If I talk about this engine, it is 150cc single cylinder 2-stroke engine. And when I say 2-stroke, many of you know that it's allowed to mix 2 to 3% of the oil, which we call as a 2T oil in the market. Am I right? If not, please do comment and let me know. And the motor is a rotary valve design, which is simplified and integrated swing arm and housing for flywheel magneto. So this scooter had a speed of 80 kilometers per hour, which comes to 49 miles per hour if I'm not wrong. This has a 3-speed gearbox, which was sufficient on that time to go for a good speed. This scooter has a beautiful 2-splitted seat because the petrol tank was beneath the seat. So the scooter was launched in 1961 by Piaggio and became a great successful, thanks to the elegance and functionality, and it made its debut during the Olympic Games in Rome in 1960. Piaggio launched its two models, that is VBA and VBB. VBA was 150cc and VBB is 125cc. They are the great grandfathers of our new generation Vespa as of now. Let me show you how to start the scooter. We have to just on this key, and then there is one knob beneath. We have to on this knob, and thus just give a 2 or 3 times kick and it gets started. Listen to the exhaust. If the scooter is not getting started, how to do it? We have to just tilt it like this, and then later on give a kick and it gets started. Mostly this happens that if the scooter is lying and it is not getting started at all. Now let me show you the Yogi Sir garage. It has been beautiful and it's so huge because there are a lot of works is going on. So just have a glimpse that this is the Yogi Sir garage. A lot of stuff is pending to do a restoration and all, which is working for.